Hello, if you want to set up cycle tracking on your Apple Watch, then first of all grab your iPhone and move to the watch application. Now click on My Watch in the left bottom corner, and right now you will have to go into cycle tracking. Then tap on it once and you will have to click to set up cycle tracking in health application. So right now you will be redirected into the health application and we have to click to get started. If you cannot find the screen, be sure that you go for the browse. Right here, go for the cycle tracking, and there we go. Now we get base information like their predictions and the notifications, cycle history, pregnancy, and also some privacy and security settings. So once you actually read this, click on next, and here we got some factors that affect our cycle, and here you can read them. So you can select one of them, like maybe let's say that none of these. Click next. Now you will have to select when did your last period start. So let's pick, for example, the first day of the October. But of course you can change months right here by using these arrows. That's actually quite simple. Then click next. Right here you will have to input this information. How long does your period usually last? So you can also scroll up and down and pick, for example, let's pick like 8 days. Now when you scroll a little bit, there's short information. Click next, and then how long is your typical cycle? So let's put like 28 days. Click next, and here what we can find, the period predictions, another option. As you can see here, we can enable or disable all of these notifications. Click next, and here we can find another options. If you want to enable them, for sure you can do this. You can hide or unhide notifications just like this, and click next. As you can see right now, that's how the cycle timeline looks. Click next. Basically right here you can find all of these descriptions, so I can highly recommend you to read all of them. So in my case I'm gonna quickly go forward. There we go, and as you can see right now it is finished. Now you can find all of this date right here. So if you want to change something or if you want to input some data, you can for sure input the symptoms manually. Take a look. Once you actually input all of this, then click done. And that's how it actually looks. You can find some highlights. You can check your cycles in this place and some other data. So yeah, that will be all. I hope that it was helpful. Thanks for watching and subscribe to my channel.